Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the privacy error in Google Chrome. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So we need to open our Chrome browser, maximize it. Then you have to click on the three dots at the top right corner. Scroll down, you'll find settings. Then you have to click on privacy and security in the left pane and you'll find delete browsing data, delete history, cookies, cache, and more. Now click on the advanced. Make sure browsing history, download history, cookies, and other site data, cached images, and files are checked and selected. Time range, change that to all time and click on delete data. Now close this. And for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar, type ncpa.cpl control panel item. Just go ahead and click on that. Now here in the network connections window, you need to locate your connection. If you are connected to Ethernet or Wi-Fi, the process is just the same. Make a right click, select properties. Now here in the properties window, you need to click on the Internet Protocol version for TCP/IPv4. Click on properties. Another window will appear. Make sure to choose obtain an IP address automatically and click on the second option, use the following DNS server addresses. So we are going to use the Google's DNS server addresses, which is one of the greatest DNS. For the preferred DNS server, type here 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate DNS server, type here 8.8.4.4. So it's 8.8.8.8 for the preferred one, and for the alternate, it should be 8.8.4.4. Then you have to click on OK and then close this windows. And after that, you just need to visit the website again, and for sure it will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.